I will show you how to get the best results from your affiliate marketing campaigns with a little help from AI. Imagine harnessing the power of artificial intelligence to supercharge your affiliate marketing efforts. AI tools are not just futuristic gadgets. They are game changers, ready to optimize your content, personalize your campaigns, and skyrocket your conversions. From crafting compelling blog posts automatically to analyzing customer data for better targeted ads, AI can handle it all, making your strategy smarter and more effective. Are you struggling with creating catchy content? AI's got your back, generating engaging material that resonates with your audience, saving you time and boosting your campaign's reach. And for those tech-savvy marketers, sophisticated AI algorithms can predict trends and customer behaviors, allowing you to stay always one step ahead. So, why stick to the old ways? Jump on the AI bandwagon and watch your affiliate marketing thrive like never before. It's time to embrace the future today.